Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing a small exercise in CAD. This is a pipe layout, okay, pipe plumbing layout. So we need to give a support in a one shot. How we can give the support? I will using as array command. How to give? This is a support for the pipe support, for example. So I am using this support and I need to give in a one shot this much area the all the support. So how it will work, I will show you. So first you need to what you need to do, just need to move this one up to here and fix it up to here and just stretch up to here. So this is the part of the support. We need to cover up to the these three pipelines, and then just need to draw a P line from here, the center of this pipe, and here I'm just drawing like this. Just draw like this up to here, and here up to here, the center of the pipe and the center of the pipe of this one. And then I just need to run the supports up to here. Okay, so just I need to run up to here. So I'm reaching up to here. Okay, so you can see the P line up to here. So I'm changing the color to yellow. So our pipe support is starting from here. Okay, so one shot how we can give the supports in AutoCAD. I'm related to AutoCAD this one. So just give a array command, arr array, then select the block of the support, then enter it, and just give a path and select the path because we draw a line up to here, right? So we just draw up to here, so we need to show that support up to there. So just need to select the path because this is the path of this is the P line is the path of our support. Okay, so just select that one, and it is automatically, you can see automatically it was created, or the one of the array for the supports. So what we need to do, we can give the distance also from there. So for example, I need to pick this point, just stretch it up to here. So see you can already it was adjusting as per the distance, right? So you can if you adjusted this one, so it will come up to here. So if you expand like this, so it will come up to here. So just type like 1500. For example, I am giving the item spacing around 1500. Just type it 1500, enter it. So that will automatically created, right? So you can select this one, so you can see all the supports is created. So if you want to change this distance, so just select this one, and if you need to make it as 1000, okay, or 1200, so just type 1200 for this one. So automatically that will adjust. So up to here it was adjusted. So easily you can give the support for these pipes and everything. So just need to change this one, means 1000, so just type it 1000. So that will adjust it as per that, as per the dimensions. So this is the one method we are using, like in a one shot we can give this support through array command. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and like it my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.